Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing some Beexcellent GM-1 gaming headphones. These are a budget-friendly option for you on Amazon. The link to these will be in my video description below. Go ahead, check them out. Really cool packaging, actually. Pretty impressed. Great product photography, great design, really easy to read. Gives you all the specs on the back. So that's the front, GM-1's the product. There's a side you can see. These are a wired pro gaming headset from Beexcellent, USB interface. They advertise as some deep bass, adjustable microphone, soft leather ear pads, easy volume adjust. Pretty straightforward, pretty cool. Some specs on the back. Yeah, not bad. Again, these are on Amazon. Go ahead, check them out. See what you think. We'll go ahead now. Open them up. Oh, and I meant to say on the back, there's a couple different color options. This is the red and black version. They have a green and black, a blue and black, which would be the one pictured, and it looks like orangish and black. Orangish, because I'm not sure if it's truly supposed to be orange or yellow or what. So here they come right out of the package. We have a user guide to show you basically how to set them up and connect them to your PC. That's about it because they're wired, so everything else should be pretty easy. Here they are, the microphone, again, 120-degree adjustability for you. The red and black is pretty cool. Left side, right side, it is leather material, like a foamy leather. Got their little like snake, cobra logo, which is pretty cool on the inside. That's not bad. I mean, for budget headphones, they seem pretty good. Adjust pretty easily. I'll go ahead and put them on. Not bad, pretty light on the ears. They give you, which is nice, a microphone and a headphone adapter if you only have the 3.5 millimeter audio, which is cool. So you can plug that in to the headset. So you can use this for a smartphone, I guess, which is nice. And then they give you this adapter, so you can use both on a computer if you had. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. We'll go ahead and just see. Plugs right in. That's great. Not bad. Definitely light on the ears, which is good. Yeah, I think for just a couple hour sessions, you would not be upset having these. Just feel light and cheap. But again, that's kind of what you're in the market for, you know, if you're checking these out. So definitely good headphones to get going with if you don't have anything. Like a great upgrade from just, you know, your typical ones you get with your smartphones. So got the USB and the audio to plug in, and a nice adapter that they include, which is great to have. I'm always impressed with how thin cables continue to get. So here on the side, you can turn them on and off and use this volume adjustment. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and check out these headphones on Amazon. And I have a lot of other reviews for other headphones, Turtle Beach, Corsair, Astro. Really love my Astro A20 wireless headphones that I keep using. But I've come across a lot of headphones and really happy just about every one of them. I can always find something positive to say. So I hope this video helps you make a decision for what's in your price point, what brands you love, and what your budget is. And I mean, all of them seem to have great build quality, especially if you just take care of things. So really cool. Feel free to hit that sub button, like, comment, share. Love to see you guys in the chat and just interact with you all more. So feel free to message me and whatnot. And I just appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you all in the next video.